Ever wondered if there was a simple and faster solution to precise and reproducible multiplex immunoassays? Meet Ella, our automated immunoassay platform. Ella uses microfluidic technology that miniaturizes and streamlines traditional immunoassay workflows while requiring lower sample volumes. Pneumatic pumps move liquids precisely through the circuitry, providing tight control over every assay parameter, delivering highly reproducible data for up to 8 analytes at a time. Simplify your immunoassay workflow. Prepare your assays in just 3 simple steps. Scan the cartridge, dilute, then load samples and wash buffer and run them in Ella. No standard curve preparation and no manual wash steps. Inside Ella, the sample flows through a microfluidic circuit. Matched antibody pairs capture the target of interest within each glass nanoreactor. Analytes are separated into 4 parallel channels. In multi-analyte cartridges, 3 nanoreactors per channel deliver triplicate measurement for up to 4 analytes per run. Multiplex cartridges support panels of 5 to 8 analytes, with 4 nanoreactors per channel delivering duplicate measurements per analyte, all within a single cartridge. Ella multiplexing cartridges are built on R&D Systems quality. Each immunoassay runs the same every single time. All this inside Ella, a hands-free, easy-to-use system that provides highly precise and accurate biomarker detection. Ella, your solution to making precision multiplexing fast and simple. Visit rndsystems.com/Ella to learn more.